Hello, new Rams. We're excited to have you on campus. Here's how to apply for housing.
What's up, Rams? First thing you would do is log into your housing portal using your WSSU credentials. Once you are properly logged into the portal, you will then be directed to the home page. Click the button that says Apply for Housing. Here, you will click 2023-2024 Fall Housing Application. You will see a page called Welcome to Housing and Residence Life. Take a moment to read the information provided carefully and fill out the personal information in the section accurately, as this information is very important, Rams. Next, this will take you to the Housing Application Policy. Be sure to review the entire policy and check the box to say that you read and agree to the policy. Once you click the next button, you will see the Housing Application Fee page. A separate window will pop up for you and you will enter your payment information. Once completed, you will then receive a receipt of your payment. Feel free, Rams, to save or print the receipt for your records. After you have completed the payment, close the window, but be mindful to return to the Housing Application tab to complete your application submission. Once you are back on the Housing Application tab, hit Next. You will then be directed to the Contact Information page, Rams. Please take your time to fill out this information correctly. Once complete, hit Next. On the Building Preference Information page, please rank your top 3 building preferences. Hit the plus button to add a building. A meal plan is required when living on campus. New first-time freshmen can only select Plan 1, unlimited CAF swipes with $200 in declining balance. Transfer students are able to select a plan that best fits them. After listing your building preferences and choosing your meal plan, now it is time to complete the roommate information section. Please read all directions carefully about your roommate group creation. If you are looking to meet a possible roommate, be sure to use our new My College Roomie tool. If you do not select a roommate will be assigned for you. Next thing you will do is you will complete registration for your new student orientation or ambition. After completing the registration, you will then be given the option to purchase renter's insurance through our campus partner, Grad Guard. This affordable insurance package protects your property from theft, fire, smoke, water damage, and more. Please note notice of special accommodation. Once you see the summary of your application, you are almost finished. Be sure to review your entire application. Once that is completed, please acknowledge the Housing and Residence Life contract. That's it, Rams. Welcome to the Ramily. We look forward to having you live with us on campus. Together we make our halls a home. Have a nice day, Rams. Enjoy.